What if I told you that the secret to a strong jawline isn't just about genetics or workouts, but about a shift in our lifestyle and eating habits over the centuries? Our ancestors, the hunter-gatherers, had naturally sharp jawlines and well-aligned teeth, thanks to their diet. Today, we're going to dive into why we've lost that definition and how you can get it back. Let's go back to the time of hunter-gatherers. The human jaw was much stronger and more defined than what we typically see today. Why? Because their diet consisted of tough, fibrous foods, raw meats, roots, and plants that required constant chewing. This not only helped develop stronger jaw muscles, but also led to naturally aligned teeth. Our ancestors didn't have the dental issues we face today because their constant chewing promoted bone development and proper alignment. These people had jaws that were as tough as their lifestyle. This constant jaw workout contributed to the well-defined jawlines that many of us admire in ancient human skulls today. Then came the Industrial Revolution, and everything changed. With the rise of industrial food production, people had access to softer, processed foods. No longer did we have to chew tough meats or fibrous roots. Instead, soft foods became the norm, and this change had a significant impact on our facial structures. As we ate softer foods, our jaw muscles didn't have to work as hard. Over time, this led to weaker jaw muscles, softer facial structures, and a loss of the sharp, defined jawlines our ancestors had. This shift also contributed to widespread dental problems, as there was no longer the natural muscle engagement that comes from chewing tough food. Today, we face several challenges to achieving a defined jawline. First, genetics plays a role. Some people naturally have rounder, less defined jawlines. Then, there's fat distribution. Excess fat in the face can cover the natural contours of your jaw. Poor posture also plays a part. Slouching can make your jawline appear less defined. Lastly, modern diets are to blame. The soft foods we eat today don't require much chewing, making it harder to engage the jaw muscles the way our ancestors did. Now, let's talk about how you can enhance and define your jawline using methods rooted in history and modern science. Jaw exercises. While we can't chew on raw meat like our ancestors, we can still exercise our jaw muscles. Simple exercises like chin lifts, jaw clenching, and neck stretches can help target and strengthen the muscles around your jaw. These exercises mimic the natural action of chewing, helping to tone and define the muscles, leading to a more prominent jawline over time. Diet and weight loss. A healthy diet is essential for reducing face fat and revealing the natural bone structure of your jaw. Eating whole, fibrous foods, similar to those our ancestors ate, not only helps with overall health, but also promotes jaw muscle engagement. Foods like raw vegetables, nuts, and lean meats will give you the necessary nutrition, while also requiring more effort to chew, which in turn strengthens your jaw. Posture and tongue positioning. Good posture can do wonders for the appearance of your jawline. Slouching can make your jawline appear less defined. By standing and sitting up straight, with your shoulders back and your head held high, you can accentuate your natural jawline. Also, practicing proper tongue posture, known as mewing, can help. This technique involves resting the tongue against the roof of your mouth, which can help reposition the jaw over time. It's a way to retrain your jaw muscles and reshape your facial structure in a natural, gradual way. Over time, many people have reported improvements in their jawlines and overall facial symmetry after practicing mewing consistently. Achieving a defined jawline takes time and consistency. Just like any other muscle in your body, your jaw muscles need regular exercise and proper nutrition to grow and become more defined. The changes won't happen overnight, but if you stick with it, you'll start seeing visible results over time. The sharp jawline you desire is not just a matter of good genetics. It's about understanding the historical changes in our diets and lifestyles and how to work with them. By incorporating jaw exercises, practicing mewing, improving your posture, and eating whole, fibrous foods, you can restore the natural definition of your jawline. The key is consistency. Stick with the process, and the results will follow. Have you tried any of these techniques to enhance your jawline? Share your experiences with us in the comments below. And if you're struggling with your height, watch this. And if you are looking for old money style, watch this.